Today we talk about how can you find the SI credit on your app, on your YesStyle app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, you click here on account down, just click on it. So when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on your state credit, just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list, and here you will find your credit balance like you see here. So I have nothing here, zero, but if you have your credit balance, you will find it in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.